Hey guys, sorry I'm not there today. Hardly ever miss school, but couldn't be helped today. So I'm going to show you one example from each of the homework sets, so you'll be good to go hopefully. And also, if you need to, go back and watch the video that you were supposed to watch last night. Okay, so the first set is all those gestures we did last week is just a review of those. So like everything inside, shift your graph left to right, opposite what you think. Outside, shift your graph up or down, exactly like you think. Negative in the front reflects across the x. Negative inside reflects across the y. Number in the front, less than 1, vertical shrink. Number in the front, greater than 1, vertical stretch. Number inside multiplied, bigger than 1, horizontal stretch by reciprocal. Shrink by reciprocal. Number in the front, bigger than 1, horizontal shrink by the reciprocal. I may have just said the same thing twice. Okay, I'm going to do one of these real quick. Here's 38. I know it's even, but that's okay. 38 has, actually, let's do 40, it's better. 40 has a plus 1 inside, so I'm going to go left 1. Has a positive 2 outside, so I'm going to go left 1, up 2. Usually I would go up 1 over 1 and draw my shape there, my half of a sideways parabola. But because there's a negative in the front, I'm going to go down 1 over 1 and draw it just like this. So the first part of today is just a review of what we did last week. Second part, they're going to give you some info and make you write the function. Like they're going to say, okay, here is, I'll do an even one. Let's see, like there's 46. Like f of x is x cubed, shift downward 1 unit, which means it would look like this. F of x equals x cubed minus 1, because the minus 1 must be outside because it's down 1, which down is exactly like you think. I'm going to do 1 like 75 to 81. If I can find them. There it is. 76, for example. It's going to ask you if it's even, odd, or neither. To check if it's even, what you do is you plug in a negative x. And if I plug in a negative x there, where the x is, I'll get negative x cubed. Now, because I didn't get the exact same thing, that means it's not even. If I would have gotten the exact same thing when I worked that out as I started with, x cubed again, it'd be even. Now, here's the cool thing. If you get the opposite of what you started with, which I did, then that means it's odd. So that's odd. Now, if you get something that's not the exact same thing you started with or the exact opposite of what you started with, that's a neither. And we're not going to worry about graphing those. I'm not going to graph those today. Just you got to tell if it's even or odd or neither just by plugging in a negative x. And again, one more time, if you plug in a negative x and you get the exact same thing you started with, it's even. If you plug in a negative x and get the exact opposite that you started with, it's odd. If you don't get either one, it's neither. All right, guys, that's one of each. You should be good to go. It's not too bad. I'll see you on Tuesday for sure. Please get this work done. And remember, when you get done with it, make sure you submit it to Google Classroom. Just submit a picture of your work to Google Classroom so I can check it off. See you tomorrow.